Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and we got another fun math problem here for you. We want to calculate the area of this trapezoid. So let's go talk about what is given to us here. We have a trapezoid, we have a top length of 6, a bottom length of 14, and we have two congruent side lengths here of square root of 65. And we also know that the angles down here at the bottom are congruent. With just that information, can we determine the area of the trapezoid? The answer is yes. So I want you to pause this video and see if you can solve this. It's not too hard, to be honest, but if you want to keep on watching, we're going to solve right here, and this is the method that we used to solve this problem. First thing I want to do is, well, remember the area formula of a trapezoid here. So the area equals A plus B times H over A2. All right, A and B are the lengths, 16 and 14 here. H is the height of the trapezoid, and we divide that by 2. Okay, so we need to find H. Well, H is the height of the trapezoid, so if we really draw a dotted line here, down, do that, and I guess I could use a straight edge, but that's not too bad. Right here, we got a right angle coming down here, all right, and that's going to be our height H. That's what we want to find. Once we have that, we have enough information to solve this problem. Now let's go look at these two triangles. We got two triangles right here, and these two triangles are actually congruent. That's our angle-angle theorem. Okay, angle-angle theorem tells us that these two triangles here will be congruent if they both have the same angle, or sorry. Well, these two triangles are congruent by our angle-angle side theorem. Remember, we drew the lines right here for the height. It's being perpendicular. We got an angle congruent here and congruent, and the side is also congruent. Our angle-angle side theorem. Angle-angle side theorem tells us that these two triangles must be congruent, meaning that their side lengths are all congruent. All right, when they have the same height here, same height, or same side length, angle. So basically what they're telling us here is that this and this, these two little side lengths here are also congruent, okay? So how can we find the length right there? We'll kind of figure that out. So to do that, we take our overall length of 14 minus 6. So 14 minus a 6 here gives us a good old 8. So 8 is the difference, right? Or 8 is our little length here. We have 6 here. 8 is the length of each side of these combined. There's 2 of them, divided by 2, and we get a 4. So each part here are 4 units. Remember, add it up together. 4, 8 plus 6 gives us that 14. All right. Well, now we have two side lengths of a right triangle. We can find the third. That's Pythagorean theorem. Remember, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So let's go 4 is our a, and call it a squared, plus b squared, let's call it h squared, equals c squared, and this is where it's lovely, square root of 65 over our squared. It's like it was designed this way on purpose. All right, simplifying out, 4 squared is a good old 16, plus h squared equals square root of 65 all squared, gives us a 65. They cancel each other out. Subtract 16 to both sides, and h squared equals a good old 49, which we can take the square root of, and our height here is equal to 7. So we have a height here of 7 for this triangle, or for that triangle, which then is also the height of the trapezoid. And so now we can find the area of the trapezoid. Let's plug into our formula. Area equals a plus b, let's go 6 plus 14, times h over 2, and again, our h value here, our h value is a good old 7, right? We just found it. From there, simplify, 6 plus 14 is a 20, times a 7 over 2. Don't multiply 20 times 7 here. Let's cancel that out. This becomes a 10. And our area is 10 times 7, which is 70 units squared. And there we have it. The area of the trapezoid here is 70 units squared. Did you get that answer? I hope you did. But if you didn't, hope you followed along and you learned something there. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more of these fun math videos for you and for everyone else. So, as always here, thanks for watching.